Hi guys! Welcome back to RV Realty PH, and this is Roy again as your host. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Greenland in Cainta Rizal / Taytay area, and we will check this amazing duplex that's available in the market and brand new. So ano pang hintay natin? Tara! The lot area of this duplex is 75 square meters with a floor area of 140 square meters. Ngayon, meron tayong one covered carport, although alam nyo naman kapag sa mga villages, pwede tayong mag-park just in front of our houses. Although, syempre, that's for your second car na, medyo upgrading na kayo nun. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa carport, it's covered, so whatever happens, kahit maulan, safe na safe, maaraw, safe na safe ang inyong mga vehicles. So this is a sliding glass door going inside, but we will go through the front door. Okay? So going into the front door, meron tayong 3 steps. So actually, the whole property is still elevated. Pero nung last Typhoon Karina, never naman nagbaha dito. Kaya yung mga ibang vehicles din sa ibang parts or ibang villages, dito nagpupuntahan. So dun yung mapapatunayan na hindi bumabaha yung area. So going back, this is our main door. This is a solid tanggili wood. So, meron ba tayong aesthetic mirror here na napakaganda. Bago pumasok, makikita nyo yung damit nyo. Outfit check muna. So, tara, pasok tayo. So, once we enter, yan, pwede tayong maglagay ng receiving area on your right side. And then, of course, your living room is here on your left side, right side ko kasi. So this is gonna be your living area, and this 3-bedroom duplex is perfect for starting families or yung mga kakakasal lang or nagpaplano or having their first home. So napakaganda nito, and then it's not too big also. So perfectly made for small families. So dito yung couch natin, and then you can put your wall mount TV here. Kung mapapansin nyo rin, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, meron tayong glass. Meron tayong glass sliding door papunta sa ating parking area kanina. So alam mo yan, aesthetic wise napakaganda niya, and of course pag medyo mainit, if you don't want to use your AC sa sala, pwede namang nakabukas to kasi meron naman siyang screen. Meron naman siyang screen, sliding screen. So, coming from the living room, nandito tayo sa dining area. Siguro 4 to 6 seater dining. Pwedeng-pwede dito, kasyang-kasya. The main advantage of having the dining together with the living area or magkadugtong sila is, of course, if you have visitors or you're entertaining visitors, di ba, dito ka nagpe-prepare, dito behind the kitchen, you can still talk to your guests, di ba? So, meron pa rin kayong interaction. So, going back, sa ating kitchen area, meron tayong bar-type kitchen. So, ang kagandahan, ang advantage of this one, having this one is, syempre, yung food mo, pwedeng dito mo na lang ilalatag. And then, kung kayo lang naman family, small family, or couple pa lang kayo, when eating, pwede rin kayong dito na kumain. So, bar-type kitchen. Pwede maglagay na lang kayo ng bar-type stool dyan. And then, of course, kasama na rin ang ating sink and faucet. Uy, meron pa palang ano to. Ano ba to? Yung waterfall. Actually, medyo high-tech na yung mga ano natin, sink and faucet. Meron na siyang shower design. Tapos of course, meron ito. And then kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda ng lighting design natin dito. So, alam mo yan, it elevates the dining experience and the living experience also. So, in this part, meron tayong nakaabang na range hood para kung magkakaroon kayo ng cooktop dito, may abang din tayo for the cooktop na pwedeng lubog yung cooktop nyo, mas maganda kasing tingnan kapag nakalubog yung cooktop mo. Pero meron din tayong service kitchen outside, later you will see. So dito yung range hood natin, here's the cooktop, and then this is our refrigerator. Ayan, kasya yung 2-door refrigerator dito kahit 6 feet, or yung mga 6-footer. Pero yung side-by-side baka medyo alanganan. Actually, for a small family, hindi naman kailangan yung side-by-side na refrigerator. Another thing to note, meron tayo, kung mapapansin nyo, may small window ka dito. Alam mo yung sa mga restaurants. Siyempre, from the service kitchen, pag doon nagluto, dito inaabot, medyo mas maganda yung delivery ng ating and mas efficient ating food. Yan. This is our... sige. Yan. This is our service kitchen, tsaka laundry. Medyo marami palang karton, pero the laundry... actually, laundry pala sa taas. This is the service kitchen. Later, you see the laundry. So, meron tayong mas malaking sink dito. And then, of course, yung L-type mo na countertop. Tapos, if you will see from up there, yung pinaka service kitchen natin, usually kasi are open. Ang kagandahan with this one, meron na siyang polycarbonate. So, ibig sabihin, kahit maulan, 100% usable tong inyong service kitchen without getting wet. And of course, meron pa rin tayong natural lighting, di ba? Napakaganda nun. Medyo wais yung ganon. And then, meron din tayo, of course, na exhaust. May exhaust tayo for the service kitchen. Yan. Yan. Before going to the second floor, meron tayong hidden dito. Meron tayong secret. So, para tong si Harry Potter, meron tayong hidden door going to the powder room. So, ito yung Harry Potter style. Nasa ilalim ka ng staircase. Pero ang ganda, di ba? Medyo mysterious yung color ng lighting mo dito, and then you have your toilet here. So, ang main advantage nito, as we always say, if you have guests, they don't have to go to the second floor kasi usually, di ba, pag after a long drive, medyo pupunta na ng CR yung mga yan. So, meron tayong CR dito na napakaganda kasi it's sealed. It's not, kumbaga parang medyo may surprise yung bahay nyo. Diba? Ganda. And then the wooden kumbaga wall dito is a very good touch for the house as well. Our main door, nabanggit ko, it's Tangili wood. Our staircase also is made out of Tangili wood. Yan. Skip lang tayong konti. Yan. So, welcome to the second floor. So, nandito yung 3 bedrooms natin. So, let's head into the first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. Actually, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 toilet and bath. Ang kagandahan with this one, meron pa rin siyang sariling sliding windows na ganda kasi wala pa kayong kapitbahay. Ang sarap ng hangin. Yan. Actually, the location of the property pala, sorry, hindi ko nabanggit kanina. It's along Highway 2000. So, napakalapit mo rin sa Pasig and sa C6. Pero still, Kainta Greenland. medyo tay-tay side na lang siya. Okay. This door naman is going to nandito yung ating laundry area, nasa second floor. Yan. Medyo concealed yung ating laundry. So, dito yung washing machine nyo. At least not everyone can see it, di ba? Medyo, actually, ganda ng pagkakagamit ng space na to kasi it's either gawin mo tong laundry or gawin mo siyang storage. Malaking part pa rin ng storage ng bahay. Before we head into the second bedroom, ito ang ating shared toilet and bath. Ganda. Hindi napigilan eh, no? Ang ganda. Actually, first time ko rin makapasok dito ng ayos na to. Kasi last time we went here, ginagawa pa talaga to. So, once you enter, you have your sink and faucet. Hanging yan, kaya medyo mas maganda sa mata. And then, of course, you have your water closet, your bidet, and then your matte black na shower. Uy, ganda nito. Meron pang mga sprinkler head. Medyo high-tech na actually yung ginamit nila dito. Mas updated, mas modern na yung mga shower and yung mga finishes nila. And then, of course, kung mapapansin nyo, maluwag. 2 meters na to. Diba? So, maluwag siya. 2 by 3 siguro. So, that's about 6 square meters. And then, ang pinaka pwede nyo na lang i-add dito, siguro, is for the heater. And then, siguro yung glass enclosure for your, yun, para pag nag-shower, hindi nag-splash over. Okay? So, let's head into the second bedroom. So, this one is a little bigger than the first bedroom. Yun siguro yung pwedeng kids room, if you may. Ito, pwede ito yung mga teens room, kung yun yung gusto nyo. Or pwede rin siyang office. So, this is about 3 by 3, mga 9 square meters. Yan. So, yun. This is the second bedroom. And then, let's head into the main event, the master's bedroom. Yan. Mamaya na natin i-check yung balcony. Ooh, nice. So, welcome to your master's bedroom or primary bedroom. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda ng ano natin, ng accent wall. Diba? May pa-wave siyang ganyan. And then there's LED lights. So, nabubuhay. Instead ng plain lang yung space. Pero ang laki na ginaganda kapag merong ganito yung wall natin. And then, of course, our headboard can be here. Yan. Kasha king size dito. Queen or king size. Kasha kasi that's 1, 2, 5 meters to by 5 by 4. Siguro mga 20 square meters to more or less. And then, kagandahan, meron kang curtain glass wall on your left side. So, parang condo style, diba? Pang penthouse, meron kang curtain glass wall. Makikita mo are greeneries, diba? So, napakaganda kasi actually the orientation of this house is northwest. So, hindi siya sunrise, medyo tatamaan ka ng sunset. So, when it's afternoon, pa nighttime, ang ganda ng magiging view mo dito. Okay? And then of course, dahil ito ang ating master's bedroom, meron tayong master's toilet and bath. Wow, nice. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. Actually, yung color palette of the house is really nice. It's warm because it's white, matte black, and then of course a lot of wooden. Actually, these are wooden tiles. Napakaganda nung pagkaka-design sa kanya. Maganda sa mata. Kumbaga, very, very warm. Very homey, in short. The finishes of the toilet and bath are the same as the first toilet and bath. Pero this one, ayan, even the ceiling has the, kumbaga, wooden vibe into it. Ayan, ito yung ating paborito. Mga 30 minutes para sa mga daddy. Ayan, so this is our master's toilet and bath. let's head into the balcony. Ngayon, let's head into the balcony. Ayan. Wow, luwag. Sarap ang hangin. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, halos wala kayong masyadong kapitbahay dito. Ganda. Kasi there's a big vacant lot here. One of the main advantages is covered yung balcony natin, and then of course medyo maluwag din siya kasi mga 2x4 to, mga 8 square meters din to. And syempre ang kagandahan dito, pwedeng dito kayo maglagay ng coffee table nyo, and then you have this peaceful scenery, diba? Parang wala kayo sa Cainta or wala kayo sa Taytay. So tahimik, sobrang tahimik dito, and then of course the security is really good. So, syempre, kung very busy kayo sa trabaho at maliliit pa yung mga anak nyo, hindi kayo masyadong mag-aalala when it comes to their safety. Kasi that's one of the primary things we have to consider when it comes to buying a house. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this duplex house here in Greenland, Cainta/Taytay area. So this house stands on a 75 square meter lot area with a floor area of 140 square meters. Meron tayong 1 covered carport, and then we have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 toilet and bath. So the house itself is really good for starting family, so not too big but not too small as well. The asking price for this property is just 8.5 million pesos. Nasa loob na kayo ng isang executive village here in Cainta, Rizal. So this one is inside Greenland Executive Village. Yan. The asking price was 8.5 million, pero may promo si seller actually. Yun yung kagandahan dito. The down payment for this house is just 1 million pesos, and then we will help you with the process on bank financing. Even sa transfer po ng title, tinutulungan po namin kayo dyan para wala na po kayo masyadong iisipin. So, if you have further questions, you can reach us on the numbers below. You can also follow us on our social media pages like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat and see you on the next one. Bye!